So if I gotta choose someone, then it must be her. She been here since day one.
Hey everyone, so I'm going to be doing a last minute Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. So I'm going to start off with my P.Louise Base, and I'm taking these new brushes that I got from AliExpress. They were only $5 for all of these brushes, guys, like $5 for all of these brushes. And I'm taking this flat concealer brush, and I'm just going to pack that out and spread it out and blend it, make sure everything's nice and ready to go for the eyeshadow. Alright, next up I'm taking my Lady E Cosmetics palette, and I'm taking that burgundy shade right there, and I'm also going to take this blending brush that I got from the same brush set from AliExpress. It's only $5. Like, get yourself some brushes. They are only $5 for all of those brushes that I showed you guys earlier, and are doing the job like really nicely. As you can see, it's packing on the shades and it's blending out really well. And yeah, so next up I'm taking the pink shade, and I'm going to take this other fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to apply that right next to the burgundy and just make sure everything's nice and smoked out and well blended. Now I'm going to take the P.Louise Base and cut my crease, and I'm just going to draw out a half cut crease shape. Pretty simple. I do cut creases a lot in all my videos, so it's pretty like self-explanatory. I just draw out a half cut crease shape and try to like make sure everything is nice and smooth and precise and the lines are nice and sharp. I'm going into my Karity 21 matte palette, and I'm going to take that purple shade Ego right there, and I'm just going to go over that burgundy shade that we took earlier because I kind of wanted it to look more deep and more like, I don't know, have more dimension, so the purple just really added to that. So after that, I'm going to take this Baddie Cosmetics glitter. This is in the shade, or the, I guess, I don't know, style, I don't know how to explain that, but it's in the shade, I guess, Beast Mode. And then I'm going to apply the Nyx Glitter Glue over the P.Louise concealer and just start applying my glitter from there. Alright, now just to add like a pop of color, not necessarily color because this is like white, but just to add like some type of design or something, I'm taking the NYX White Liner, and I'm just going to add a line over my cut crease just to make things pop more and stand out. Alright, so you probably can't tell what this is because the label is kind of worn off, but I'm taking the Too Faced sketch marker. This is just the black one, and I'm just going to draw a basic line across my eyelids. This is just going to prepare myself for lashes later on. I'm not doing a wing or anything because this look is dramatic as it is. I don't want to like add to the craziness and make it like worse, so you know, a basic line should be good enough. And then I'm taking the black shade from the Karity palette, and I'm just going to smoke that out on my outer corners and make sure things are nice and blended. This is also going to make the look more bold and more, you know, just dramatic. For lashes, I'm taking the Angel Wings Devil Wings collection lashes in the style Evil Queen, and I'm just going to pop that to my lashes. I feel like these just change the look drastically. Like, you seen how I went from 0 to 100 in a matter of seconds. I'm going back into the Karity palette, and I'm taking the same purple shade from earlier, and I'm just going to pop that to my lower lash line with this Makeup Shack. I forget what number it is, but I'll make sure to, list all the brushes in the description so you guys know what brushes I used. Next up, I'm taking the shade Alexi from the palette, and I'm taking this brush that I got off the same brush set from AliExpress. I swear these brushes are so, good quality to be only worth around 50 cents each, I swear. Alright, now that the lower lash line is all done, I'm taking the white shade from the palette, and I'm just going to pop that into my inner corners just to brighten things up and make sure things are nice and complete. And after that, we're pretty much all done with the eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm not sure if you heard of this brand or not, but the brand DN Cosmetics sent me 20 of their lipsticks to try out, and I cannot wait to try this out. Like this lipstick right here, for example, it's just really pretty. As you can see, the packaging itself, it's very simple, but at the same time, they have a lot of colors to choose from. This shade is very beautiful. I never tried any shade like this before. This is like an orangey brown shade. It applies really creamy and smooth. And I don't know, this brand I feel like is very underrated. You should definitely check them out. I'll be sure to mention their brand in the description box and link their website and Instagram so you guys can check them out, because it's, I don't know, it's very underrated to me, and their lipsticks are really, really, really good. Like really good. Like I really like how this applied. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. If you stayed to the very end of the video, congrats to you. You are very loyal and you really F with my YouTube channel, like seriously. So I appreciate you if you stayed to the end. But anyways, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment what you thought of this video. Did you like it? Did you hate it? I don't care. Also, leave some suggestions and I'll be sure to make some videos regarding those suggestions. And that's all I have to say. I love you guys. Have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.